let's take off the coolant overflow so we can get access to the blower motor. The 10mm bolt right here, remove that. Set it aside. Pull this up, straight out, and just move it out of your way. At this point, you can see the blower motor right here. Let's unplug the wiring harness. Press on this little connector, pull it straight out, move that out of the way, and then it's got 5.5mm bolts around. There's 3 of them. That's what holds it in. So let's remove these. Hopefully they don't break. They shouldn't. They're threading into plastic, but you never know. At this point, I'm going to remove this hose. It's held on with a rubber ring around the base, around the motor. Pull the blower motor straight out, and there it is. Take this new one, slide it in, and just line up the bolt holes like this. There we go. Start in the 3 screws. Let's bottom them out, make them snug. Now I want to take this little vent tube, wrap it around, and line it up with the hole in the blower motor, and plug it back in here. Make sure it is fully seated. It's not. All right, make sure it's fully seated, and plug it back in over here. While I'm at it, let's plug in the electrical harness. Make sure it's secured in, and put back your coolant overflow. Slide it into the 2 tabs at the top, and bring it down right here where the bolt is. Line it up, start the bolt in, resecure it. And now go ahead and test out your blower motor.